Alright, so I'm going to be doing a review on the Bones STF wheels and Shake Junt abec 7 bearings. Now, I did get a new set of these. These are STFs in a 52, and I do have new Shake Junts. So that kind of tells you something already that I got them again. I'm just using the iPhone for this because my JVC needs charged. And you can check out my skate vids to see how I skate and whatnot. So, check them out. And, okay, I'm going to start off with the bearings. They are very, very nice bearings. And they roll great. They spin great. I mean, they're great. Here, I'll just give it a little bit of a spin on here. That's just a little tiny spin. And I've skated these bearings from September of 2011 until June of 2012. And I'm actually probably going to put these wheels and bearings on my mini board. That's probably what I'm going to do. And the bearings can handle impact very good. Like, I've done a 6-foot drop with these a few times. I've done some 5-foot drops. I've done quite a few drops with these wheels and stair sets repeatedly. And I did not break any of them. They actually got wet twice with water. So I just put them in a little bit of baby oil. They're fine. They're great. They hold up very good. And they're the best bearings I've had so far. They're completely amazing. Now I'm going to talk about the wheel, the Bones STF wheel. These wheels were a 51 when I got them. The only thing I've noticed that could possibly be negative is that they wear down really fast, but also depends on what surface you're skating on and how often you skate. Me, I skate quite a bit. And my driveway is not real rough, but it's also not real smooth either, because that's usually where I skate at. And they got pretty small. They're probably about 40-something millimeter now. They're probably like a 40 or 42, maybe a 41. And now, all the other things about the wheel is all positive. Did not get any flat spots whatsoever. Other wheels I've had, I usually flat spot them doing tail slides, because I do a lot of tail slides. It's probably my favorite slide is a front side tail slide. And I flat spot a few set of wheels doing that. And I power slotted these like crazy. Like when I was on senior trip and I was skating over in I'm having a brain fart here. It's in Tennessee. Pigeon Forge, yes. There were some really good hills to bomb over at the cabin, and I was doing some long power slides, which you can see if you check my skate videos and all my other vids. I was doing some good powers. I only got like a few on camera, but I've done longer ones than what you'll see in that vid. And did not flat spot whatsoever. It's amazing. And also the nice thing about them is that they roll so nice. But when they do get small to like this size, they do get that small wheel roll. Don't get me wrong, they still roll beastly, but they get that small wheel drag that every small wheel gets. But something really nice, though, is that they slide when I want them to, and they grip when I want them to. It's the perfect balance of hardness of slide and grip. They're 83B durometer, which comes out to be like on the A chart. Well, on the A chart, after it hits 100A, it gets very inconsistent. So you need the B for if it's over 100A. It comes out to be like, I think on the A chart, somewhere between 103 and 105. But it's not like a really, it's different. You just gotta try them out. They're great wheels. And if you put them with some Shake Junt abec 7s, it's even better. Because the bearings are what they advertise, and the wheels are definitely what they advertise. and I highly recommend getting them. They're the best wheels and the best bearings I've had, and the both at the same time is the best mix you can possibly ever have. I mean, like, it's just awesome. It really is. They're amazing.